But right now, this everybody has gone for lunch.
Just spare me for 2 minutes, madam. I'm not giving any feedback. I'm just giving only feedback. I'm not just giving feedback. I'm just giving only compliment.
Exactly, sir.
What is the Magnus, madam? It's very beautiful, madam. I am drinking the Magnus with water, and it's very nice, madam. And I'm not able to get a taste also, madam. I'm drinking water only when I'm drinking Magnus. That much of taste is there, madam. I'm giving a very good compliment to Magnus, madam.
Thank you, sir. We would like you to repeat the compliment in our customer care department. Kindly call up after 2 o'clock, please.
2 o'clock, madam? Okay, madam. What's your name, madam?
I'm the operator over here, sir.
Okay, madam. Okay, then only don't tell me your name, madam. After 2 o'clock, I call means who will pick up the call, madam?
I'll give it to the concerned person, sir.
Okay, madam. I'm just giving compliment, madam. It's very. What is this, madam? How you make the Magnus, madam?
So,
It's like the heaven, madam.
thank you, sir.
It's what is you making with water only, madam? That is the very different thing, madam. You're taking with the water and it's like when I am drinking this, it looks like only water. After drinking that, I am getting very high, madam. Thank you.